Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to AiZen Tools. Lately I keep hearing about Whoop.com, so I figured why not check it out and see whether it's worth the attention that it's getting. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share in the comments which AI you want me to review after this one.
Ever wanted a health coach that never sleeps, tracks your body 24/7, and tells you exactly how to train smarter, recover better, and sleep deeper? That's Whoop. Whoop is a wearable health and performance tracker used by elite athletes and everyday people who want to train smarter, recover better, and live healthier. Unlike traditional smartwatches, Whoop doesn't focus on steps or notifications. Instead, it focuses on what truly matters: how much strain your body takes, how well you recover, and how good your sleep really is. Whoop works by continuously tracking advanced body data like heart rate variability, respiratory rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep stages. All this data is analyzed in the Whoop app and turned into clear, easy to understand insights. It tells you when your body is ready to push hard and when it needs rest, helping you avoid burnout and injury. Whoop is trusted by some of the world's best athletes. Football icon Cristiano Ronaldo is a global ambassador and investor, using Whoop to stay at the top of his performance. Olympic legend Michael Phelps and tennis star Aryna Sabalenka have also partnered with Whoop, showing how elite athletes rely on recovery, sleep, and body data to compete at the highest level. In the first 30 days, Whoop carefully tracks your sleep, strain, and recovery to understand your body's patterns. By the end of the month, it provides personalized insights and trends to help you train smarter, recover better, and make healthier daily choices. The best part, Whoop works on a subscription model, so you get the device and all the app features for a simple yearly plan. You can start with a free trial and see how it fits into your lifestyle before committing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.